Mailjet is a comprehensive email marketing platform that enables users to create, send, and monitor email campaigns effectively. Here's a concise guide to getting started. Sign up. Visit Mailjet's website and create an account. They offer various plans, including a free tier suitable for beginners. Set up your account. After registration, configure your account settings by entering your sender information and verifying your email address to ensure optimal deliverability. Manage contacts. Navigate to the contacts section to create and manage your contact list. You can import contacts via SCV files or add them manually. Organize your contacts into segments for targeted campaigns. Create an email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create a new campaign. Choose a template from Mailjet's library or design your own using the drag and drop editor. Customize the content, including text, images, and links to align with your brand. Send or schedule. After designing your email, select your target contact list and choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time. Analyze performance. Utilize Mailjet's analytics to monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. This data helps refine future campaigns for better engagement.